Hello friend, in this today's video we will learn the variable. The concept of the variable are mostly same in every programming language. Variable is used to store the information. We saw the example here. Integer is the data type ABC. This is the variable name and we can store the 23 value. This variable is used to store this information. That's it. That's the only concept of the variable. This is simple, you can easily understand that. We have print ABC and 3. Yes, we can see that rule for creating. There is some rule for creating the variable. During creating the variable, you have know these three rules. Rule number 1: variable name only contain small a to z, capital A to Z, underscore, and the dollar. We saw the example here. Int A, capital A is support capital A, B, C. This type of ABC, A equal to, you can store string or value, hurry or some other. This is error. Integer and data type only store the number and double. That's why this show the error. If we change this into bar keyboard, this error is gone. Underscore start with underscore int underscore ABC. This one is also correct. And start with dollar is also correct. Int start with dollar symbol and name equal to name is hurry. You can change this data type to var and semicolon. This is the first rule. And variable name only contain a number underscore and the dollar. You remember that. This is only three way and start to write a variable. Second rule: variable name cannot start with the digit. Variable name must start with a letter, dollar, or the underscore symbol. This is same with this. We can show here, if you start the variable name with digit name, then you can show the error, and you can show the error. This is incorrect way for writing. And last and one important, I have already written that variable name are case sensitive. These three A's are different variable. Some people will forget that these three are same, but these three are different. If you write this type variable, these are three different variable. This is not a same. This is not a one variable. These are three variable. That's the concept. You can print that. If we run that, you can show that three different value. These three variable store the three different value. That's it for today.